show you how to correct a transaction that might have been locked due to the VAT being finalized. All you have to do is enter the same transaction. Say, for example, on MTN, this was locked, and I'm not able to edit this because it's locked. But I didn't want to take it to computer expenses. I actually wanted to take it to telephone. All I have to do is enter the transaction exactly as I did previously. But instead of spend, I say receive. And then I can just enter the transaction correctly now as I wanted to initially. This is our demo pastel, so it does not have all the accounts set up yet. So I'm just going to create a telephone and then I will enter 100. For all transactions that are entered manually, please remember to tick the reconcile tick boxes. Save changes, and there you've corrected the transaction. The same will apply to when it had to be taken, for example, to a supplier. So say I had a supplier MTN, then I would apply the same method.